I got the monitor inside the truck here. I'm going to use the window suction cup one. Start off. It's got a little slot here right in the back, and that just slides right into there. You just tighten this up, and now you just suction it to the window. I'll start right here. We'll see how I like it. I may adjust it later and move it different spots. But then it's got a little screw back here. You can just adjust the angle. Right, face it towards the driver just a little bit. Now these antennas are hitting my windshield right here, so I'll bend them forward like that. If that doesn't work, I can move it down here, move it somewhere else. Next, we need to power it, and I got a Dodge Ram. It's got a 12-volt power source right here, so I'll just plug it in right there. All right, now a thing to know about these, they're actually wired into your running lights, so you have to have your running lights on in order for it to power the camera in the back. You can also use these cameras as like a security camera when you are camping, but you'll have to wire it to a hot 12-volt source that's on all the time, and then maybe put a little switch in there to turn it on and off. But when you're driving like this, hooked into the pre-wired stuff, it's hooked into the running lights, so I'll go turn those on. All right, switch it. If you're in auto mode, that, you know, it'll turn them off during the day, so in the daytime, you actually go to on. Boom, there it is. It shows up, so it says you should have at least 2 bars. I'm showing 1, 2, 3 bars, so looks like we got good signal. Now there's gonna be all kinds of menu options. I can turn on and off these backup bars. You can do a mirror image, so it, like what's on the left side of the screen's actually on the left side of the car. And let's see, I think I need to flip it around, because here's the driveway, and to me it looks like the driveway should be this way. So we'll flip that around. So let's see, menu mode. There it is, the mirror. So let's flip it this way. There, now everything's the side that it should be if I'm looking out my front window. Since the camera is actually, you know, pointing backwards, you're gonna see a backwards image. That's why you gotta flip it around.